Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Roblox settings to default. Alright, so to successfully execute this, it's a quick step one by one. Just click on this start bar over here, but the shortcut is simple. Click on Windows R. Now Windows R, when you do it simultaneously, it will then bring up this run command. So in the run command, type in the following: percentage local app data percentage. After that, click on OK. Once you click on OK, then it will open up these files as you can see them over here. Now, once these files are opened up, I'll request you guys to look for a Roblox file. The Roblox file. Alright, so it's here. Now in the Roblox file, we're going to delete the versions folder. This one here. Okay. Okay, so go ahead and click on right click. After that, choose delete. Now, once you delete the versions folder, you'll have removed all the settings in your Roblox. This means the new settings you'll have put will have disappeared and your Roblox will go back to default settings. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe.